Hello everyone! Last Friday we had assembly day and we made a whole ton of progress on the robot arm. Let's take a moment to look over all the progress we made.
Let's see this. Hold on, sorry. We got 4100. And I might not have 8 but also, and then
That's what it's supposed to do, right?
It could also be that too, because
As you can see here, we have a whole bunch of modules that are now fully assembled and are ready to be attached. This is the biggest module of the robot arm, and this one was assembled by the robot base crew at the last meeting. We also have a few other pieces here. This is from team number 3, our joint crew. They put together these joint pieces with the cycloidal discs. Not quite fully finished yet, but they're going to be finished up at this next meeting. Next up, we had team 4, which was the inner robotics gear crew, and they put together this neat little gearbox here that's going to be used for the wrist of the robot arm. This Friday, we're going to be having part 2 of assembly day, and hopefully the final assembly day. I think this time we're going to be able to get the entire robot arm put together. Without further ado, let's announce our project teams for this next assembly day. Team 1, we have our classic polishing crew. This team is going to be doing the same thing as last time. We have a few new parts that we had to print out that either were missing or had some defects from last time. So these parts have been printed with new supports that are going to need to be removed, and also some little imperfections that will need to be sanded down and Dremeled down. So polishing crew, we've got work for you. Team 2 is going to be the base module crew. So the base module crew is going to be combining teams 2 and 3 from last time. So we have this whole base piece finished, and we have a few other modules that are going to be attaching to this base here. So the base module crew is going to be starting with step 25, going to be finishing up this little piece of this module here. Once this one is fully done, then the base module crew is going to be doing steps 1 through 100 of attaching everything to the base of the robot arm, making the entire connected base. Team 3, we've got our fine gear crew. So this team was a team we had last time, but we weren't actually able to do it because some of the pieces were missing. Fine gear crew, we've got all the parts you need printed out and ready to go. So this is going to be a team that we are going to be able to do this time. And the same with team 4, our hand crew. This is another team we also weren't able to do last time because we were missing a few of the pieces for the little gripper. We've got absolutely everything printed out here, absolutely ready to go. So these two teams are going to be doing some assembly this time around. Lastly, team 5. This is the one some of you have been waiting for, the wiring and programming team. I think we're going to have the robot arm fully finished this time around, which means that it's time to start with some wiring and basic programming. So if you're interested in wiring and using Arduino, there's going to be a whole ton of wires that need to be connected together all over the robot arm. And if you're interested in coding, and I know a lot of you are, then this is going to be the team for you, because we are going to be starting off with looking at the software for the robot arm and seeing if we can test out the different motors. If the robot arm is assembled very quickly, we may even be able to do some basic animation tests. This time, our goal is to get the whole arm put together. We are going to have snacks and drinks once again. I hope to see you there.